Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Look, frozen. Frozen ang mga car. Yeah, today is Friday. Thank God. TGIF. It's already 4:10 everyone. And then the weather is 2 and 2 degrees, and the lowest is 2 and the highest is 4. Uy, freezing na naman. Kalimutan ko, baliktad yung suot ko talaga. Hindi ako nagtingin eh. Ay naku, ayan talaga. Ayan o. Nangingintabang mga kotse sa frozen. Papo. Ayan everyone. Nakatatlong araw na agad ang ating January. So, ayan lang as usual. 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. Thank God it's Friday. Hello everyone. God bless and happy weekend. Happy weekdays everyone. Bye at the moment at malamig. Nilalamig ang aking kamay. Ayun. See you when I see you everyone. Cool day out. For the job. For the job opportunity. Bye!
Always use a strike.
Good morning everyone.
Sometimes you have to be clever.
Kain
Just a bit
tayo.
of life.
Bababa.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. Well, he did have a strike. It's not like he made it up.
It is old people like us.
Yeah.
But no, the people young.
Shortbread with coffee.
And you need to go back to work.
Ayan everyone, we're going to our job site. They are already prepared for the snowing because look, there's a lot of salt in the road. Yeah? Yeah, it's already -1. The lowest and the highest is the -1 today. That's why see you when I see you everyone. That's the update for the moment. Ayan everyone, time is 3:15. So I'm waiting for the Ealing Roadway and it says in the monitor 2 minutes. Negative na po dito. The lowest is -2. So even it's -1, you feel that it's -2. So in 1 minute the Ealing Broadway is coming. There's this one is going towards Richmond. But the next one is mine. This is not. So freezing today, and ang update everyone here is freezing. So I'm always not prepared for Friday going to Hanwell. Yeah. They said this weekend soon it's gonna be snowing again. So 1 minute my train is coming everyone. So
Please
the
keep to
monitor
the left when making your way
is
up the
there.
staircase and allow customers
So-
down to the platform.
Okay. Last Friday, this is not closed in a way that the way to the Paddington. Paddington is closed, so I stay just a bit in Ealing Broadway, but then later on I go back and go to Aldgate. But the building manager told me that go home, so it's okay, I'm done. Yan everyone, gamitin ulit natin itong lift para dito na ako sa Ealing Broadway. Ayan, para kasi doon yung hagdan. Pupunta ako ng yan. Yeah. So, for
Doors closing.
and let us see kung anong
Platform level.
minute ng train. How many minutes
Doors opening.
should I stuck pa eh. Yan, oh. Oh, may ano sila, may mga salt na nilagay kasi nga something, maybe it might be snowing. So let us see. Ay dumating ng train pero hanggang reading lang yan. Ang hihintayin ko ay yung going to Heathrow Terminal 4. So that it pass by at the Hanwell. So they said the train is coming at 10:05 I think. So I'm gonna need to wait for how many minutes? Ayan lang everyone. The moment. Ayun. 10:03 ang dating. Bye. See you later at malamig sa kamay everyone. Ayan. Everyone. 10:03 dumating.
This is an Elizabeth Line service to Heathrow Terminal 4 via Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3. The next station is West Ealing. Change for services toward Greenford. For safety reasons, please keep luggage clear of the aisles and doors in the area behind the driver's door.
Just to stop. Ayan everyone, 10:10 ay nandito na ako. I'm already here at Hanwell Station. Nakalabas na. So I need to walk to going sa bahay ng amo. For today is Friday. So see, yan. Along the way, malapit lang to yung next corner, yun na. Pagkakalikod doon sa corner na yan. Woo! Malapit lang, di ba? Everyone. Bye and see you later. Sunny day today, everyone. Pauwi na ako. Then, nakatapos na yan. Papunta na ako ng train station. So, hopefully, maaga ulit akong maka-uwi tonight para makatanggal ako ng mga dapat tanggalin dahil hindi ko pala napakita na wala ng Christmas tree doon sa bahay nila. Wala na mga Christmas decor. I mean, dahil tapos na ang Pasko, everyone. Next year naman di ba? May mga bata pang nag-aano dahil sa Lunes pa sila mag-start ng work. So, ayun lang. Have a look. Sunny day, yeah. Nagbago yung kulay ng salamin ko. And that's it at the moment. See you after 2 trains. The Elizabeth Line and the Metropolitan. Bye! See you when I see you, everyone. Itong corner na to pagdiko ko. Grabe itong gumagawa ng bakod na to. Ang tagal na, hindi pa tapos. Ayun. Natagalan na. Grabe, diba? Grabe. Kala ko ako lang ang very busy. Sida din pala. Ay nako, malis na si train. Bye, see you later everyone. Yan everyone. Yan mga asin. Pinaglalagay nila dito kasi nga nag-negative. So parang alam na nila na pag nag-negative magi-snow. So andito ako. I am here in Hanwell Station. Ganun din sa school sa kanina ngayong pang umaga ko. Ganyan din. Ang daming asin. Grabe. Yan. Ang lalaki yan. Panlagay yan sa mga pag mag-iis na nilalagyan nila ng ganyan. Kasi nga para hindi madulas ang tao. Matunaw agad yung ice. Yan o. Ay hindi yan sa iba mga ano ba dating ng ng train. Sabi niya 11:33 yata, ay hindi 1:33. Ayan, malapit na kasi 1:25 na po. 1:25 na everyone. And then ayan, sunny day today. Yan o. Sunny day, diba? Kaya malamang sa malamang postpone tang snow. Okay, see you later at Algate. It's 2:35 everyone. Hello. Dito na ako sa work. Since today is Friday, I'm just gonna finish my food, and then after that, I'm going to down to have some what do you call that? Dusting. Sarap. Favorite ko to. Instead na ketchup, yung Caesar salad Ang inano ko. Sarap po. Pansabi. Yummy. Mainit pa ito kanina. Dati naman ganun. Bowl ako ba? 4 hours. Ay! Bastos. Nalaglag. Sarap. Magdusting na nga ako. Back to normal. Bye! See you later. Dati meron ng Sainsbury. Nawala. Yeah. So, 1 for me, 1 for nanay. And then, mahilig kasi si nanay sa ganito. So, hello. Yeah. Now. And then, I want to buy some stuff here. Ayun, praise the Lord, meron na. Yun, no? 5:50 pa lang. Nagdi-dinner na si mother dahil masama ang kanyang timpla. Meron siyang frozen shoulder. Kaya, dito siya nagkain sa kwarto niya. Yun lang, everyone. Ako nga masakit ang likod eh. Ha? Walang matigas? What you mean walang matigas? Sa kilikili? Baka hindi mo palang nahibo. Basta may basagin mo. Hilot-hilutin mo yung ilalim. Good evening everyone. Time check. Makatapos ayusin si nanay sa baba. Umakyat na ako at dito naman ako sa taas. Mag-dinner while watching Tanggol, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. Mag-chamomile para ano ba to, yung ang pagtulog ay mahimbing. Di ba?